SS Gentleman Dean Alejandro here to do my STP review as mentioned in my unboxing. Now, originally, I was super excited to try this one because I liked how realistic it felt, even though it felt kind of like you have to hold it up more. And when I was unboxing and I was like, oh, it doesn't look like there's a hole. Dur because I don't know if this is one that is supposed to just be a packer and they make different ones of the same version that you can also stand to pee. This one literally you cannot use to stand to pee. And I was going to, okay, funny story. So I was going to actually film myself using this and I was like, well, YouTube's being really strict and I'm not going to like put myself of peeing on the internet because that's fucking weird. Mature audiences all only if you haven't caught the drift, of course. So I was like, okay, well, I have to pee, so should I just try it? Well, lucky for you, I did not record it and I did not try it, and I tried it underwater, and I'm going to show you. Now, like I said, this is the Emissal first generation STP. As described is what it's supposed to be for standing 2p, and I was going to show that, but it does not work, and I'm going to show you why. So I guess I'm still going to review it maybe in another video as a packer, and if I can actually find the version of the S2P, maybe I'll put it in the comments below. But this is actually pretty heavy, like the balls are super heavy. But look, this is why you don't pee on this. I'm just going to put some water. I feel like it's pretty obvious, right? But like, it's going all over the place. There is no pee anywhere. So, this packer is super realistic. It is not cheap. So, do your research if there's two different types. Make sure that if you want to get the S2P one that you are getting the right one. Even the balls are kind of like, it kind of feels like a stress ball, to be honest. But don't stand up with the S2P because it will not work. And maybe we'll see about a packing video to review with it because I'm kind of interested on this like flap, even though it won't be for suction, just to see kind of how it goes. So we'll see, and of course I will put a more detailed review in the comments or description down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you were as disappointed with it not being S2P as I was. But like I said, we have another S2P to go ahead and review. So until next week, I will see you later.